In the previous video, we have seen the checklist to verify the issued L.C., and in this video, we are going to explain what are the documents generally required in a letter of credit transaction. A letter of credit is also called as documentary letter of credit. This is because, in a letter of credit transaction, documents plays an important role. What are the documents required in letter of credit transaction? Transport documents certifies that the goods are shipped on time, in good condition, and delivered to the destination port as agreed in the L.C. Documents include bill of lading, air waybill, road transport documents, air transport document, rail transport documents or inland waterway transport documents. Insurance documents certifies that the goods are insured with an appropriate cargo as per L.C. terms and the insurance premium has been paid by the exporter. Insurance policy, insurance certificate, open cover. Commercial documents certifies that the goods are shipped as per the agreed L.C. terms such as value of goods, origin, and quality of goods etc. Proforma invoice, commercial invoice with packing list, weight list, inspection certificate, certificate of analysis, pre-export verification of, conformity certificate, shipment advice. These are the list of documents you may require under letter of credit transaction. If you have any further queries in regards to letter of credit transaction, contact our trade finance experts now. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.